All right, so California Governor Gavin Newsom just posted this tweet bashing President Trump, saying that in January, Trump looked him in the eye on the tarmac after Southern California was hit with fires and said that he promised LA that he'd help rebuild after the firestorms. And Gavin Newsom says that 11 months later, Trump still hasn't delivered. This is so rich, coming from a governor of a very liberal state that has poured so many billions of dollars into useless projects, has promised to end the homelessness crisis, the housing crisis, the drug crisis in California, and has not done so yet. It's been much longer than 11 months that Gavin Newsom's been in office, and he's failed to deliver on almost every campaign promise. Not only that, but California Governor Gavin Newsom is in charge of helping LA rebuild, and he has not done so yet, despite the billions of dollars that are accessible to the state. Just one example. Back in 2019, after Newsom became governor, he kind of admitted that California's very ambitious project to build a bullet train was taking too long and was probably more expensive than it was needed to be. He urged Californians to be a little more realistic about the project until construction unions fought back, and then he kind of changed his tone. But regardless, that was in 2019. He just struck a deal in 2025 to pour billions more dollars into the project over the course of the next 2 decades. So for all this talk about Donald Trump not helping Los Angeles 11 months after the fire, Gavin Newsom hasn't helped his own state in nearly half a decade on a project that he kind of promised to finish. And that's just many such cases in California.